All right, in this question, we have a ring connected to two wires. So here's our ring, and this is wire number 2, this is wire number 1. Upon loading, this point B moves downward vertically. And now the question is asking for strains in wire number 1 and wire number 2. So we know the equation for a strain is delta L divided by the initial length. So for wire number 1, delta L would be AB star minus AB, and the initial length is AB. And for wire number 2, it's gonna be CB star minus CB divided by CB. So we know this whole AC length is 52 inches, but we don't know this distance. We can call it H. We can call this part A, and we can call this part B. We know the initial length of wire AB is 30 inches, so this is 30, and for wire number 2 is 36. So if we consider this triangle, we can write A in the power of 2 plus H in the power of 2 is equal to 30 in the power of 2. And for this triangle, we can write B in the power of 2 plus H in the power of 2 is 36 in the power of 2. And we know A plus B is 52 inches. 52. Now if we subtract this equation from this one, we can write B2 plus H2 minus A2 plus H2 is equal to 36 in the power of 2 minus 30 in the power of 2. So we can write B2 minus A2 is 396. Now using this equation, we can write B is equal to 52 minus A. And now if we put this value here, we can write 52 minus A in the power of 2 minus A in the power of 2 is equal to 396. So 52 in the power of 2 minus 104A plus A2 minus A2 is equal to 396. So we can remove this part. 2704 minus 396 is equal to 104A. And from here we will get A is approximately equal to 22.1923 inches. And using this one, we can write B is equal to 52 minus 22.1923. So B is approximately equal to 29.8077 inch. Okay, so here, this is 22.1923, and this one is 29.8077. So using one of these equations here, we can write H2 is equal to 30 in the power of 2 minus 22.1923 in the power of 2. So H would be approximately equal to 20.1867 inches. So here 20.1867. Now using this triangle, we can easily calculate the value of AB star, and using this one we can calculate the length of this wire after extension. So for AB star, we can write it's square root of 22.1923 in a power of 2 plus, so this is H and this is delta. So we have H plus delta, which is 20.1867 plus 0.25 in a power of 2. So this is equal to 492.498.17929 plus 417.658.70.689. So AB star would approximately be equal to 30.1688 inches. And for CB star, we have 29.8077 in a power of 2 plus this value again, so 20.1867 plus 0.25 in a power of 2, which is equal to 888.49897929 plus 417.658.70.689. This will give us a CB star approximately equal to 36.1408 inches. Now, using these equations, we can calculate the strains in each member. So for wire number 1, we have delta L1 divided by L1, which is 30.1688 minus 30 divided by 30, which is approximately equal to 0.00526. And finally, for epsilon 2, we have delta L2 divided by L2, 36.1408 minus 36 divided by 36, which is approximately equal to 0.003910 inch per inch. So this was basically a geometry question. In order to determine these strains, we first determined A and B and H, and then we could determine the value of this secondary length and this one, and then the difference between this length and this initial length divided by this initial length was epsilon 2, and this length minus this length divided by this initial length was epsilon 1. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. That's a great way to support us. If you like this video, press the like button, and if you have any comments or suggestions, please feel free to write your comments below. Thanks, and see you in the next video.